Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Cash App on Prizepicks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, to use Cash App on Prizepicks, Cash App is not accepted payment method for depositing or withdrawing funds on Prizepicks. To deposit funds on Prizepicks, you can use a bank account, PayPal account, or a debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds in your Prizepicks account. To request a withdrawal, navigate to the menu located in the left top corner of the Prizepicks app and select Request Withdrawal. That's basically withdrawal. To withdraw the cash amount that you want. So basically, you aren't able to use Cash App on Prizepicks as Cash App is not accepted payment method for depositing or withdrawing funds on Prizepicks. So that's basically it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.